Port means to carry, so transport means to carry across or to move something from one place to another. Portable means something is small enough that it can be moved so that you can carry it. You're able to carry it. Export, X means out or out of, so this is to carry something out of an area. So if you export products, you're shipping them out of the country. And then a portage is an area, if you think about boating or canoeing, if you say get to a dam or something like that and you have to take the canoe out or the boat out and move it to another area to put it back in, like below the dam, that's a portage. And then phyte means plant. So epiphyte is a plant that grows on another plant. Like there's a lot of orchids that grow on other plants. There's parasitic plants that are epiphytes, like mistletoe is an epiphyte. Tracheophyte refers to plants that have vascular systems, so they have xylem and phloem, so they actually transport water up from the roots to the leaves. And then phytoplankton. Plankton really is free-floating organisms in the ocean or in a body of water, and then phytoplankton are ones that are like plants, so like algae. Phyll means leaf. So chlorophyll is a green pigment in plants that collects sunlight and allows photosynthesis to occur. Xanthophyll is another pigment in leaves. It's actually a yellow pigment, which if you have leaves in the fall that turn from green to yellow, basically what's happening is the chlorophyll is breaking down, and then you can see the xanthophyll. Mesophyll is the middle layer of a leaf, so meso means middle. And then phyllosilicates are silicates that break off in very thin sheets, like mica is a phyllosilicate. It's a silicate mineral. Silicate minerals have silicon and oxygen, and phyllosilicates basically break off in very flat sheets. So poly means many. So polymer is basically a chemical compound that's made of many smaller subunits, like starches are polymers of glucose. A lot of plastics are also polymers. So polyploid refers to genetics or biology, and it means basically that you have many sets of chromosomes. So we have haploid, which basically means you have one set of every chromosome. You have diploid, which basically means you have two sets of every chromosome. And then you can have polyploid, which means you may have 3 or 4 or 5, whatever, sets of chromosomes. Polyatomic refers to many atoms, so polyatomic ions, like our carbonate ion. It's a single ion that has a carbon atom, 3 oxygen atoms, so it's 4 atoms total bonded together to make a polyatomic ion. And then polyglot refers to someone that can speak many different languages. And then post means after. So post-mortem would be like an autopsy, like something that's done after something is dead. So if you have a post-mortem on, say, an animal to see what happened to them, be something, basically look at them after they're dead. Postpone means to put off until after something else. And then post-apocalyptic would basically be like after an apocalypse, like Fallout game series.